if you like the smoothness of Merlot, but also some of the rustic qualities of, say, like a Zinfandel, this one here is going to be for you. This is Aglianico, and it's a rare treat from the south of Italy. Now, Aglianico is interesting because it's what they consider to be sort of like an ancient grape, but they don't really know what the origins of the grape are, possibly the Greek islands, and the name probably comes from the Italian word for Greek, which is Aglianico. And although you can find it around the southern part of the boot, it grows mainly in two regions, Campania and Basilicata. So the grape grows best in volcanic soils, which is perfect because most of the Italian peninsula was created by volcanic activity. There's actually an extinct volcano down in the south called Monte Vulture, and that's where most of the Aglianico grapes are growing today. You can actually see the word Vulture here on the label.
Which means what?
The etymology of the word is closely related to a vulture. There was no direct correlation, but I think it has something to do with vultures.
Vulture volcano.
All right, for crying out loud, let's drink this friggin' thing. Wow, it's a leathery affair. It's just a really savory, earthy kind of wine.
I'm still stuck on leathery affair.
Leathery. That might be one of the most tannic red wines I think I've ever had before. Wow. And these don't normally see barrel aging either. So this is all coming from the grape. That is massive. A lot of red wines tend to have these like berry flavors. Not this one. This is like almost like cured meat. It's got a very gamey kind of vibe to it.
Beef jerky.
Beef jerky, yeah. Tastes like beef jerky in a glass. Very appealing.
So with age, what do you think?
Got a long ways to go. This could actually probably last like another 10 years easily, and those tannins will get a lot softer.
So with a wine such as this, what are you thinking about food pairings?
Because the tannins are so hard on this one, you got to put some protein in there. Proteins always bring the tannin level down in a wine like this. This part of Italy is well known for its agriculture, especially its vegetable production. Beans would be really good, especially black beans.
With black beans, could we maybe even go towards like the Mexican style?
Ah, yes. Yeah, that would be perfect actually. We just had tacos the other day for Taco Tuesday, and this would be a great complement to that spiced meat that you make, put in your tacos, but definitely like black refried beans. And while we're on the vegetable thing, mushrooms, especially like grilled portobellos. And I didn't dig too deep into this, but it's worth mentioning that the grape is being grown in other parts of the world now, specifically California and Australia, from what I understand. As far as pricing goes, Aglianico is fairly reasonable. You can find a decent quality bottle, something like this here, which is only 3 years old, for around $15 to $20. So that's the high and low of Aglianico. But seriously, I hope you get a chance to try some Aglianico del Vulture for yourself. It's an amazing wine, great price, easy to get to. So if you do, let me know, drop some comments below this video. And of course, if you like my videos, if you like what I'm doing here with wine, be sure to subscribe to my channel and you'll get plenty more. As always, thanks so much for drinking with me today. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you for the next bottle of new and interesting wine. Cheers.